Hey guys, my name is Brian McGlenn here at MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. I am standing in front of the 2021 19 SPX Sea Ray. This boat just arrived from the factory. Great all-around boat for taking the family and friends out to the sandbar or cruising up and down the river, towing the kids on the wakeboard or the tubes. This specific boat has the quantum blue hull sides, black bimini top, and 150 Mercury 4-stroke. Let's hop on board and show you a few things. So starting here in the transom of the boat, as you see here, this boat has the SeaDek on the dive platform, which makes it really nice for getting in and out of the water. It won't be slippery at all. It also has the ski bar for towing the kids behind the boat on the wakeboard or the tubes. Power matched with the 150 Mercury. This boat's super quick, all the speed you could want. So under your transom Sunpad here, you have an insane amount of storage. For a 19-footer, you can throw all of your bags, your towels, whatever else you might like down inside there. And then under this rear seat you have an integrated cooler which is insulated, so your drinks will stay super cold all day in the South Florida heat. And then in this deck storage you have additional storage for skis, wakeboards, or any other large items. So one thing this boat does not have a shortage of is seating. For a 19-footer, this boat is rated for a total of 10 people. It has the stone upholstery color, seating all the way around in the cockpit, a nice captain's chair, and then up in the bow you have seating for 2 or 3 more people with an optional filler platform that would fill in that centerpiece. So as you just saw, this is the ultimate boat for cruising up and down the intercoastal, loading it down with family and friends, towing the kids behind with the ski pole, or taking it out to your favorite restaurant. Great all-around boat. If you would like to see it in person or get more information, give us a call at MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. My name is Brian, and our phone number is 772-287-4495. Thank you.